Hello, welcome once again to another exciting course in counseling and psychology. We are starting now the course entitled Counseling Interventions and Strategies. And this is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenfumbo. I want to believe that you are going to enjoy this course. Let's just look at the course outline and also the introduction and scope. Introduction we are going to look at the following course. Number one, we are going to look at introduction to counseling interventions, where we are going to look at definitions and purpose of interventions. Then we are going to look at types of counselor centered and client centered functions, factors guiding selection. Then we are going to look at in module 2, we are going to look at counseling strategies, where we are going to talk about goal setting and achievement. Then we are going to look at cognitive behavioral techniques and emotional regulation methods. Then we are going to look at therapeutical interventions, that's identifying and challenging negative thought patterns. Then we are going to look at creating self-talk and visual perception. Then we are going to look at building confidence and coping skills. In mod 3, 4, we are going to look at counseling approaches, that is cognitive behavioral therapy. Then we are going to look at directive behavioral therapy, and we are going to look at acceptance and commitment therapy. In mod 4, we are going to look at specialized interventions, that is, we are going to look at depression and anxiety management. Then we are going to look at grief therapy techniques, and we are going to look at substance abuse treatment approaches. Like when we talk about substance abuse, we are talking about drug abuse, beer, and other abuses. We are going to look at group counseling strategies, that is facilitating group sessions, building group cohesion, addressing diverse group needs. In mod 7, we are going to look at career counseling interventions, career narrative development, job stress management. There is what is called corporate stress management. We are also going to look at that. We are going to look at job search skills development. And in module 8, we are going to look at cultural consideration in counseling. That is cultural competence in interventions. We are going to look at addressing diverse client needs. And in conclusion, we are going to look at summary of key takeaways, emerging trends, and advancement in counseling. So these are the things that we are going to look at when we talk about intervention. That is by understanding the scope and the range of counseling intervention and strategies. Counselors can provide effective and personalized support to their clients, promoting positive change and growth. So this course is very important because you as a counselor, it gives you the skills on how you can be able to support your clients in various situations. So counseling interventions and strategies are systematic approaches used by counselors to help clients achieve their goals, overcome challenges, and improve their mental health and well-being. These interventions and strategies are grounded in technical framework and enhanced based practice, and are designed to be tailored to individual clients' needs. So when you're doing the counseling interventions, the skills will allow you to be able to intervene in different clients and to be able to help clients with different needs. So you are equipped with a skill as a counselor to be able to do those things. So the scope of this course is that the scope of the counseling intervention and strategy is broad and diverse, encompassing various approaches, techniques, and modalities. Some of the key areas that we were going to look at will include cognitive behavioral interventions, how we can use cognitive behavioral intervention. Then we are going to look at emotional regulation strategies, then behavioral modification techniques. We are going to look at humanistic and existential approaches. We are going to look at psychodynamic and psychoanalytical interventions. We are going to look at family and relationship therapy. Then we are going to look at group counseling and group therapy, then career counseling. So these are some and many more. Then we are also look at crisis interventions and trauma responses. We will look at cultural diversity and sensitive counseling. Counseling interventions and strategies aim to address various mental health concerns such as anxiety and depression, trauma. So, counseling interventions and strategies aim to address various mental health concerns such as anxiety and depression, trauma and PTSD, and relationship issues and couples. So let's run together and enjoy the course. God bless you. Looking forward that you're going to enjoy the course and also are becoming great counselors. Thank you so much and God bless you. This is your host, Dr. Triple Mwinfumbo.